Hello there, YouTube friends. Happy Sunday to you. I have exciting news to share with you today. My ebook cookbook is ready. This is my volume 2 Meals in Jars cookbook. It's called More Meals in Jars. Let me show you just what it looks like here. I made my husband buy it again, y'all, just to make sure it worked. It's beautiful. I'm proud of it. The cookbook is available for purchase on my website, which is thefreezedriedfoodie.com, and I will link to that below in the description box. Before you hop on there and buy it, I need to give you a coupon code. It's SPRING15, SPRING15. That'll get you 15% off. The book is priced at $19.99, but with that coupon code, I think it's $16.99. Y'all, it turned out beautifully. I'm so pleased with it. Thank you again to both of my daughters, to my husband, to my best friend Amy for helping me to get this to the finish line. I do need to tell you, it's just the ebook that's ready today. The print book, it will be coming, but it's going to be at least another month or so before that's ready. It's so much more complicated and involved. It's back and forth with Amazon, and it's printing a physical book. And that it takes time for them to mail it to me and for me to edit and then upload the edits to the site and then get it back again. Anyway, it's going to be a while, but the ebook is fantastic. And I want to give you a little bit of a tour of what to expect. So let me turn the camera around. Make sure you're choosing the correct book because there's, now there's 2 of them up there. So let me show you what this one looks like. This is the download that you will get. And you can download this as many times as you like once you purchase it. You can also print off any of the pages that you're interested in. I've got 72 recipes in this one, guys. So here, let me just get a little closer. So it's similar in format to my first cookbook. I've got the ingredient list, beautiful pictures. I've got a little story about the recipe. And then I also have preparation instructions. And for every recipe that I have a video for on YouTube, there's a little button that says click here for video. So let me do that and show you what happens. This is called a hyperlink. All right, so you can see it takes you straight to my YouTube video that matches the recipe. I also have hyperlinks on here for a couple of the ingredients, not all of them, but just a few things from each recipe are underlined. Click, if you see it's underlined, you'll be able to click that. See, it takes you straight to the shopping site, and then you can choose what you would like to order. So once again, I think it's a beautiful book. Like I said, there are more than 70 recipes, and these are the recipes that have been published since my last cookbook. Everything from August through May of this year, 2025. That is what is included in this cookbook. So y'all, I love it so much. I think it's even prettier than the last one just because I had more help from my very talented daughter to help kind of clean it up a little bit. And I think it's going to translate into a beautiful printed book as well. I just wanted to mention, like every once in a while, and it's really pretty rare, but it has happened probably 4 or 5 times. Every once in a while, there's a snag, a hiccup with the download. And for some reason, it's either like 1 digit off with the email address, or there's something that happens with the PayHip site sending you the cookbook. Every once in a while that does happen, okay? If it happens to you, please know that I will personally send you the ebook from my email account. I can do that. If something happens, I can send you the ebook, no problem. But I need to know about it, okay? And if that happens, please send an email to freezedriedcherith@gmail.com. I'll put that up on the screen here. Send an email to that email address, and I will make sure that you get the ebook. Now, my husband and I are going to be traveling in the next few weeks, and I will not have internet access for part of that time. So if you send me an email and I don't respond for 4 days, don't think it's because I'm ignoring you. I'm not. It's just I don't have internet access. Okay. So, but when I get internet, I will email it to you myself. I will make sure that you get the cookbook that you paid for. Okay. All right, y'all. That's all I have for you. I hope you love the cookbook as much as we do. Hopefully, y'all will continue to tune in to my videos. Until next time, y'all take care and keep thriving. Bye.